Why are we seeing a rolling recession across different sectors of the economy? According to a market observer, the signs have been there for a while, with truck drivers and car companies experiencing significant downturns. Tech companies have also laid off staff, contributing to the ongoing economic challenges. The speaker argues that the current quarter and the next may be the weakest, pointing to the ISM, Institute for Supply Management, indicator at historically low levels, suggesting a high probability of a recession. The speaker contends that this recession might not be as severe as some predict, drawing parallels to the mild recession of 1990. However, they caution about overhangs in commercial real estate and anticipate stickier unemployment due to the rise of AI. Despite these concerns, the speaker notes that markets have already priced in much of the economic downturn, citing the previous year's declines in crypto and the Nasdaq. Looking at inflation, the speaker challenges the prevailing narrative of sticky inflation. They argue that inflation is likely to revert back to 2% or lower, countering the popular belief that inflation will persist. The speaker highlights deflationary indicators, such as negative PPI, Producer Price Index, numbers in Europe, and predicts the potential for core inflation to go negative in 2024. They acknowledge that this view is contrary to the mainstream perspective, where most expect persistent inflation. Amidst these economic discussions, the speaker emphasizes the importance of data-driven analysis. They criticize false narratives in the market, attributing some views to individuals imposing their political perspectives on economic outlooks. The speaker urges a focus on data and highlights the role of false narratives in shaping market views. Comment: Everyday Americans, what are your thoughts on the current economic outlook? Do you believe we are heading towards a recession, and how do you perceive the inflation scenario? Share your perspectives in the comments above. Switching gears, the content shifts to a discussion on Bitcoin and the crypto market. The speaker discusses JP Morgan's cautionary stance on Bitcoin, suggesting a potential roller coaster ride if the SEC approves spot Bitcoin ETFs. They highlight the estimated $2.7 billion that could exit the crypto market if Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust transforms into an ETF, causing downward pressure on Bitcoin prices. On a more bullish note, the speaker points out positive trends in the crypto market. They mention big corporations like Adidas, LVMH, and Nike exploring non-fungible tokens, NFTs, signaling a broader adoption of crypto in traditional industries. Financial giants like Franklin Templeton, Fidelity, and BlackRock are also entering the crypto space, indicating a shift in the wind towards mainstream acceptance. The focus then turns to Bitcoin's price predictions, with Galaxy Digital anticipating a 74% price boost post a Bitcoin ETF launch. Algorithmic models project a potential rise to $137,400 by 2025. Notably, Dan Tapiero, CEO of 10T Holdings, predicts a conservative estimate of a Bitcoin rally to $100,000, with a more bullish target of $250,000 to $350,000. Comment: Everyday Americans, what are your views on Bitcoin and the crypto market? Do you see it as a volatile investment or a potential opportunity for substantial gains? Share your thoughts in the comments above. Continuing the discussion, the content delves into the ETF arena, focusing on ARK Investment Management's bold move. They introduce the ARK 21 shares Bitcoin ETF with a remarkably low fee of 0.8%, undercutting competitors like Grayscale and ProShares. The speaker highlights the SEC's decision on January 11, 2024, as a critical moment, suggesting ARK aims to become the ETF champion of 2024. The content concludes with insights from macro investor ARK, who discusses the consequences of currency debasement. He argues that debasing currency doesn't lead to wage or corporate earnings increases but rather inflates asset prices, benefiting those who can afford assets. This, he says, results in the mutualization of debt servicing costs across poorer individuals, impacting the American dream and creating a wealth gap. ARK also discusses millennials' financial challenges and their intelligent risk-taking behavior, citing crypto investments and options trading as examples. He sees these as responses to limited options for upward mobility in traditional financial avenues. Comment: Everyday Americans, how do you perceive the current state of financial markets and the potential impact of Bitcoin ETFs? Are you optimistic about the future of the economy, or do you share concerns about wealth inequality? Share your perspectives in the comments above. In summary, the content provides a comprehensive overview of the economic landscape, the crypto market, and the ETF arena. It explores contrasting views on inflation, economic downturns, and the potential of Bitcoin, inviting everyday Americans to join the conversation and share their thoughts. Disclaimer: the content presented is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. All views and opinions expressed belong to the original speaker, and readers should conduct their own research before making any investment decisions.
Before you go, help us by smashing that YouTube like button. And subscribe to this channel, so you won't miss any of our videos. This shows YouTube algorithm that you value our information. And it helps us spread the message. Sharing is caring.